Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic that what is the difference between acquiring and issuing bank. Friend, today's topic is very important and very interesting with respect to payment industry concepts or fintech industry. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. First of all, we have to understand that what is acquiring bank actually. Friend, normally we consider acquiring bank as a bank who has the account of a merchant and he has the authorization to process the transactions of a customer via Visa, Mastercard, UPI, etc. So an acquiring bank is an institution that has the card scheme authorization like Visa, Mastercard to process a transaction. So by signing a contract with the acquirer, a merchant can process credit and debit card transaction. This is the main concept of acquiring bank. Now, what is the role of acquirer? Bank's role. You can think of an acquirer as a go-between for all debit and credit card transaction. Acquirer manage communication between card credit associations like Visa, Mastercard, and business. As a key player in the payment process, an acquiring bank also ensure transaction security on your behalf. Now, what is the issuer bank? Friend, issuer is a bank who has the account, who has like customer has account in the issuer bank. Like issuer has the account of a customer. Normally, an issuing bank is a financial institution that provide credit and debit card to customer. Like he issued the credit and debit card to customer on behalf of big card network like Visa, Mastercard, Discover, and American Express. When you make a payment with a card, the funds are transferred from the issuer bank to the acquirer. So this is the main concept. Like acquirer has the account of a merchant and acquirer bank acquires the transaction of Visa, Mastercard, etc. and issuer bank has the account of a customer and he issued the credit and debit card to the customer, and whenever the transaction successfully occurred, so the funds transfer from issuer to the acquirer bank. Acquirer has the account of merchant actually. Now what is the role of issuer bank? Like for example, in any given online transaction, the issuing bank plays the role of a middleman between the customer and the card network, consumer and the card network. Despite a common misconception that the card network like Visa, Master and UPI, debit and credit card, it's the bank and credit unions who actually issue the card on behalf of the credit card network. Because of the risk associated with issuing card, the issuing bank accept the liabilities and guarantee payment in case of loss of damage. Like if any issue occurred, like in any fraud case, like for example some transaction occurred performed on online or through the merchant side, so in case of any problem, all the liabilities will go with the issuer bank. Issuer bank has the account of a customer. If a card holder is not able to pay off his her debit, then it will be written off by the issuing bank. The issuing bank become responsible for recouping the cost. Acquirer bank has very low risk here. Is totally the risk lies with the issuer bank. In the transaction process, the issuer is responsible for customer authentication and for making sure that the card holder has enough funds to cover the transaction. The issuing bank is also in charge of approving and denying credit card applications, collecting payments from the card holder and providing customer support. So in that case, actually the issuer bank has a very vital role in the processing of transactions, either through merchants, either through online. So this is the main difference between acquiring and issuing bank. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.